Is your HP printer showing an error code 0xc19a0003? Don't worry, it's fixable. A lot of people think they need to replace their ink cartridges to fix this error, but that's actually not true. Most of the time, the error is just telling you that your printhead needs some attention. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple methods that will clear the error code and get your HP printer working again. Or if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Reset your printer. Turn off your HP printer completely. Unplug the power cord from the back of the printer. Disconnect the same power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds. This will give your printer a full discharge and reset. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Your printer should turn on automatically. If it doesn't power on right away, just press the power button to switch it on manually. Alright, if that didn't fix the error, no problem. We've got another method to try. Let's use the HP Smart app to clean your printhead. Method 2. Clean printhead using HP Smart app. Open the HP Smart app on your computer. Select your DeskJet printer from the home screen. Scroll down to find the Tools section and tap on Alignment and Maintenance. Now, tap on the Clean Printhead, then hit the Clean button and just wait for process to complete. Your printer will handle everything automatically. If that still didn't clear the error, don't worry. We've got one more method where we'll manually clean the printhead. Method 3. Clean printhead manually. Open the front cover of your printer. Wait for a moment for the ink cartridges to move into the replacement position automatically. Gently press the cartridge to release them from their holders. Carefully remove the cartridges without touching the gold contacts on the back. Once they are out, use a dry, lint-free cloth to gently clean the contacts on each cartridge. Just wipe them gently, don't scrub. Reinsert the cartridges back into the printer. Close the front cover and you're all set. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.